Hi guys, Hector with Total Roofing and Construction. I'm the production manager here at Total Roofing, and I'm here to show you just what to expect on your upcoming project with us, to show you the true TRC experience. We're going to talk about our equipter system, our catch-all system, placement of dumpsters, and what you'll be seeing when we show up at your doorstep. We usually arrive between 7 and 8 a.m. just to start the process. Now, what we do when we first arrive, we put the barricade up to prevent anyone from going inside, to prevent debris or anything falling on anyone. This right here is a lifesaver. And we do this first thing in the morning. We also do a pre-construction meeting with the project manager and the foreman to discuss some of the things that you had as concerns for your project. So anything that you discuss with your project manager will always be relayed at the pre-construction meeting with our foreman. So that way your needs are always addressed first thing. Now when it comes to the start of your project manager will let you know the day that it's going to happen, usually within a couple of days to a week. So that way we can work on the logistics of where to place the dumpster, and also so that way you can allocate your cars. Because the thing you don't want to do is have the dumpster there and you can't get your car. So here we have our equipter. This is our portable dumpster. And as you can see, it goes all the way up to the eave of the house. Now with this, we are able to go to every section of the house, put our debris in there. We don't have to throw anything on the ground. None of your plants get ruined, and it really just keeps everyone safe, keeps your property protected. Foreman, co-foreman, and a few workers on each team go through a few hours of training in order to operate this machine. No one just goes in and just drives it. It does take someone with special training to do so. You can rest assured the person operating it is well trained and knows what he's doing. And here we have our catch-all system. Now with these breathable nets, anything that might fall off, any extras, helps still protect your shrubbery. Because at the end of the day, your landscape is probably one of the most expensive items around your house and something that you take pride in, and we want to take care of that for you. Any of the shrubbery that it touches, it breathes, but nothing gets past. From nails to shingles to even dust, it collects all of that in one little net. These are some of the investments that we do to protect your property when you choose us. We want to make sure that all your interests, all your investments, and all the things that you love are always protected throughout the entire process.